The Prime Minister, Dr. Barnabas Sibusiso Dlamini, attended this year's Swazi Bank Schools Competition Finals, which were held at the Uniswa Sports Emporium. The Prime Minister said seeing and hearing the students from the country's schools competing in a music competition and showing immense music talent that lies in Swazis is an exhilarating experience. The Prime Minister says adolescence is a time for change for boys and girls, a period of both physical and emotional growth, and that they have dreams and a life and many opportunities ahead of them. Dlamini applauded Swazi Bank for the continued sponsorship, which was 50,000 emalangeni in 2005 and is 400,000 emalangeni for this year's competition. He also applauded the competition structure, which is divided into phases or divisions. He says the country's competitive events are strengthening the individual's ability to pursue a career in music.
The dual purpose of exposing our talented young instrumentalists, as well as identifying members for the new orchestra. I congratulate the association on this innovation, as well as the performers who include non-students from the Royal Swaziland Police Band and His Majesty's Correctional Services Band, including the competition item in the form of choristers reciting sections of the national constitution is a further creative idea, especially the selection of provisions relating to the rights of the child that we are hearing today, and the duties of the citizen which were recited yesterday. Bringing important constitutional provisions to the attention of performers and the general is a novel and welcome step. Including the national anthem is part of the choral component, is also an innovative measure.
The Prime Minister congratulated the winners and urged those who didn't make it to work harder next time. Other speakers included the Managing Director of Swazi Bank, Zakele Lukele, and the Chairman of the Swaziland Schools Choral Music Association, who both praised His Majesty's government for supporting the school's choral competition. The champions of this year's Swazi Bank Schools Choral Music Competition is Therisian High School, which is a combination of Salesian and St. Teresa's High Schools, as they managed to defend their title, which they won last year. Vulamasango School came second, while Manzini Nazarene came third. Vulamasango scooped position 1 in both girls and boys choirs respectively, in the many awards they got on the night. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Dlamini in Matsapa.